Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to fake skip in OmeTV fake skip tutorial. So for you to be able to do this, the first thing that you need to have onto your device is OBS Studio. So if it still doesn't have an OBS Studio onto your device, just go ahead and install OBS Studio, also this OBS Cam Registry Fixer. So once you have this fixer file in here, you're just gonna have to extract this, and then once you have extracted this, you'll just need to open the file in here, and then right after, inside the folder of it, you should be able to see two files. So you'll just need to open these two files, and then right after, here onto the device manager, you'll just need to go ahead and try to disable first the camera or the main camera that you're currently using onto your device so that we could use the one that is for OBS Studio. So as you can see, we have successfully disabled that. Right after, let's head back onto your browser. Here onto your browser, we'll need to go ahead and try to change the settings of the camera in here. So as you can see, just head here onto the privacy and security, scroll down, and you should be able to see site settings. Here onto site settings, we're gonna go ahead and try to find camera in here under location, and you need to have this set up for HD webcam C252 since this is the one for OBS. So we'll have to click onto that, and then right after, once we have set that one up, let's gonna go ahead and try to head onto OBS Studio. Now right after, what we need to do once we're already onto OBS Studio, we need to have this one back again to enable this device or the camera from device manager. So re-enable it again so that we could use it, and then here onto the sources, click onto this plus button and then click onto video capture device. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto OK in here, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to choose this camera in here to activate your own face. So you should be able to see your face in here, and then right after, we'll just have to click onto OK for that. Then right after, we need to add another one in here, or a media source. So you need to download a video of a fake skip for OmeTV. So we'll click OK for this one, and then we're gonna browse the fake skip video that we have saved onto our device. So you need to download your own fake skip in here, and then just click onto browse. So I have here the fake skip already. We'll click onto that, click onto open, and then right after, we're gonna click onto loop for that, and then we're gonna click onto OK. So as you can see, we have the two files already set up in here. So this is the video that we have for ourselves, and this one, which is the fake skip. So if you're gonna go ahead and try to resize this one out first so that we could go ahead and try to fix or see the fake skip video. So now once you have already completely resized the media in here and also your video, so what you need to do right after is you need to head onto the view in here and always make sure that this is always on top. So once you're back onto OmeTV and this one is set up already, then you need to have this one first so that it should be your camera only showing. And if you want to go ahead and just fake skip people, you'll just have to open this eye out, and then right after, just close this if you want to have your own camera back again. You'll just have to click on to start virtual camera in here, and then right after, head back onto OmeTV. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.